So welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to check audience overlap between two interest targetings. So here you can see we have two ad sets, ad set 1 with a fashion and shopping interest and ad set 2 with a beauty and cosmetic brand interest. So in order to check audience overlap between ad set 1 and ad set 2, what we have to do is we have to save the audiences. So what I will do is just click on edit here and I will go inside this ad set and I will save this audience. If you don't find this save this audience option, you might have to switch back to the original audiences because you might be using advantage plus audience. So I will be saving this audience. I will be giving the audience name as ad set 1 fashion and shopping. Just click on save as a new. So you can see here we have saved this fashion and shopping interest audience. Now I will be going to ad set 2 to save the ad set 2 audiences. So you can see here in ad set 2 we are using the different cosmetic brands, and here now I want to save this audience. So just click on save this audience, give the audience name. So I will be giving the audience name as ad set 2 beauty and cosmetic brands. So click on save as audience. Once audience are saved, just close this and go to the audiences section. So you can see here our both the saved audiences are present here. Now I want to check the what is the overlapping between this. So what I will do is I will just select this audiences, both the audiences, and click on this three dot option available here, and there is an option called show audience overlap. So I will, once I click here, so you can see here if we compare what is the overlap between ad set 1, that is fashion and shopping, and ad set 2 beauty and cosmetic brands. So there is a percentage overlap selected audiences, that is 72% of the audience is overlapping between this interest. So some of you may have a question, can we check the audience overlap between what like interest targeting and the people who have already visited our website? So to check the same, I have selected both the all website visitors and ad set 1 our fashion and shopping interest, and I will just click on show audience overlap. So you can see the particular message here. So this is related to the privacy policy of Meta, that is the all website visitor audience as well as Facebook engage and Instagram engage audiences can't be used to estimate the overlaps. So only interest based targeting is only available for checking the overlap between the audiences, whereas the custom audiences can't be used to check the overlapping between the audiences. So this is how we check the audience overlap in a Meta Ads Manager. If you find this video useful, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, do comment below.